Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 18. It is about 9 o'clock, I think. I had a pretty slow start to the day, but a very good night's sleep. So now I'm down here to do a couple of admin type things, and then we're probably going to go out and run some errands. But then after that, I want to get started sewing my Ilford jacket. And then I don't know what else. We shall see. But first, let's get the advent calendar done. So day 18 says, a reminder to carve out time for creativity. All right, let's see. Oh, looks like there's only one in there today. That's weird. Ah, that's nice. Time well spent. Love that. And it's like a patch because there's no like folded edges. So this could be put on the outside of a garment, maybe on the pocket of my Ilford. Okay, well, I'm not sure what happened there, but my camera just froze. Oh well. Okay, so as I was saying, I've got a couple of things to get done down here this morning. Then we're going to run out and buy a couple things. And then I will most likely come back down here and get started on the Ilford unless something else comes up that I want to do. And I will take you along if I get up to anything interesting. So I will see you in a bit. Hello, it is 3:30 in the afternoon, and I have done absolutely nothing interesting today. Well, I did, but nothing interesting for you. So we went and ran some errands this morning. I bought a few things for the house, bought myself a brand new printer. Yeah, it's just been very ordinary day. I did get started sewing my Ilford jacket, so I'm right now working on the placket on the sleeve, and that had me scratching my head a little bit, but I think I figured it out now. I also decided I'm gonna use a Hong Kong finish on the inside, and this is the fabric I'm gonna use for the bias tape. This was a cotton lawn in a Think Pink box from, I think maybe July or August. I thought it would look really, really nice against the denim. And yeah, so I made myself a bunch of bias tape that I'm going to use on the inside of the jacket. But yeah, I really haven't been down here a whole lot today. Just a lot of running around. Now, I'm going to go upstairs and get going on dinner because I decided, I don't know what came over me, but I decided I was going to make something I've never done. I've never done on my own, but I want to make a salmon pie, which is a typical Quebecois meal. My grandmother used to make it on Sunday for dinner, and I absolutely loved it. And I found a recipe online for it. So I'm not doing it the way my grandmother used to do it. She used to do her pie crust from scratch. And yeah, I'm not doing any of that. I bought the frozen pie crusts. But yeah, this takes a while to make. So I'm going to go upstairs and make my salmon pie with a bechamel sauce on top and some sort of veggie on the side and maybe a salad. And that's going to be dinner. And I'll report back, and if it's really good, maybe I'll leave the recipe down in the description if you're in the mood for something that is a typical Quebecois home-cooked meal, I guess, or recipe. Anywho, I'm going to get up there, get cooking, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Hello, and I'm back. It is very late, well, much later than it was before. It's like 9:30 at night, and I'm getting really tired. But I've been down here for a little bit now, sewing on my Ilford jacket. By the way, dinner was delicious. Tasted exactly like I remember my grandma's tasting. So it was pretty amazing. And hubby liked it too, so that's always a plus. So I've got my Ilford over here. So I've got, how far did I go? So I've got my shoulder seams done, and I've got the bias binding. Where's my other shoulder? There it is. So my two shoulders are sewn. I've got one sleeve sewn on. I didn't know if I was going to be able to do the bias binding on the sleeve, so I serged them separately just in case. And I'll see if I can figure out how to do it. And then, yeah, next step is to put the other sleeve on, and then side seam and underarm. And then, yeah, button plackets, collar, hemming. Oh, and pockets. I have to put my pockets on, which I probably should do before I do the side seams. But yeah, I made some progress. It's all good. I love sewing with denim. It's so easy. It presses wonderfully and it stays put, and yeah, it's great, great. So yeah, like I said, I think I'm gonna leave today's video here. Not sure. Yeah, not sure this will be interesting for you all. I hope it is. But I guess, yeah, that's my life, right? I work, I do stuff around the house, and then I sew. So that's me. Hopefully, though, on the weekend, I'll be able to take you out and about, because I've got plans, and fingers crossed they're gonna all happen and I can take you out with me. Tomorrow I've got a full-on day. I've got a hair appointment in the morning. I've got some shopping to do in the afternoon, and then we are going to watch one of our grandkids play hockey, and then have dinner together, hubby and I, out and about. So I'll take you along and I'll take some footage as I can, but it's going to be probably like a full day away from home. So we'll see how much of it I can film. Anywho, I'm going to leave it here for today, like I said, and I hope you had a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.